Welcome back, everyone. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of creating a UDP custom server using Privatessh. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. Accessing Privatessh website. To begin, open your preferred browser and navigate to the Privatessh website. Once there, you'll land on the home page. Step 2. Exploring options. On the top right side of the screen, click on the menu button to access the Explore section. Look for the SSH and OVP options to proceed. Step 3. Selecting SSH UDP. Now select SSH UDP. Choose the custom location and pick a strong network location according to your preference. I recommend selecting America locations for a stable connection. Step 4. Creating an account. Next, click on the Create Account button. A pop-up page will open. Fill in the required details, including your chosen username and password. Don't forget to complete the CAPTCHA, and then click Create Account to proceed. Step 5. Copying server. Details. Once your account is successfully created, make sure to copy the server details. You'll need these details for VPN settings, including HTTPS custom and ZIVPN UDP settings. And there you have it. You've successfully created UDP servers using the Privatessh website. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.